So in this video, I will gonna show you how you can withdraw money from your Hamster Kombat account. So first of all, it's a 5-step process. The first one is you need to ensure that the withdrawal options are available in the game. Then you need to connect your DeFi wallet to the game to facilitate the withdrawal. Then you can only withdraw tokens that are not staked or being wagered. And the easiest way is to transfer to the internal Telegram wallet from which you can transfer funds to Tone Space. Alternatively, the token can be withdrawn to any other wallet that support the Tone network, which is Tone Keeper, Trust Wallet, CryptoBot, Tone Hub, and others. Note that withdrawals from Hamster Kombat will primarily be made via electronic wallets. So hope this helped. This is how you can withdraw money from Hamster Kombat.